32,
Oh my God.
31,
This-
30,
He's going to be flat.
28, 20 नहीं हमारे.
Let's go, everyone. Welcome to our coverage of round 3 of the 2024 World Championship match. Gukesh starts with the white pieces. The big question for today, will he equalize the score? Will he win, or will Ding go into the first rest day, Sagar, being the leader of the match? I'm pumped.
आज तो जीतेगा भाई. Gukesh is going to win today.
Handshake over there.
And Gukesh plays d4.
Ooh, he starts with
Oh,
d4.
d4.
It's 1d4. So in game 1 with white, he started with the king's pawn opening, lost that in the French. So he switched it up completely with the queen's pawn opening.
Yeah, he's not waiting for Ding to surprise him. He's the first one to give a surprise now. Gukesh plays d4. Sahil bhai, what do you think will Ding do now?
सागर भाई, I think Ding would probably have some level of surprise prepared here as well. कुछ तो देखा होगा जब वहाँ French देखा है. He did not know कि गुकेश पहली गेम में E4 खेलेंगे.
Yes.
Maybe यहाँ पे भी कोई surprise हो सकता है. अमृता, what do you think?
I think it could be London system.
Oh, actually.
You know, someone
Knight
in our
of 6.
audience wants to see a Jabava London. That would be crazy if it happens in the World Championship level.
Oh, he does play knight
Knight
f3.
f3.
Knight
So
f3.
bishop f4 होगा कि नहीं?
तभी सोच रहा है कैसे मैं कुछ भी ideas avoid कर सकूं.
But there are two scenarios here, right? Gukesh getting his second white in the match. One is, does he want to play risky at this stage? You know, try to get those open positions with e4, or is Gukesh's mindset more कि भाई कल rest day आ रहा है? C6 by the way on the board, and we've got some more moves.
Queen c2.
Queen c2. This is a very important move, taking away the f5 square, Sagar.
Yes, he stops that. But next few moves, I think Ding can get under time pressure.
he
Oh,
played.
move has been played. G6 is on the board. And Gukesh instantly
So maybe
H3.
Amrita's idea, he's provoking bishop f5. He puts the queen to b3, attacking that b7 tender pawn, which is now undefended, and then Amrita g4, bishop g2. We might see g4 for the second time by Gukesh in the match.
Badhiya.
That's crazy. Amrita opening the chat, by the way. Yeah? H3 G4 is insane. If it happens on the board, there'll be fire on the board again.
So I think he went queen b6, not allowing any of these tactics. And do you trade now? My answer to that would be no. Don't allow a side pawn to come towards the center of the board, giving the rook an open file. So if not, maybe Amrita's idea, go g4.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
G4 is on
No,
the
no,
board.
this-
No,
oh,
it's done. It's
yes,
done.
it's
Gukesh has used 1 minute, 1 second only until now. भाई Gukesh is in a hurry आज. वो बोल रहा है कि घर जल्दी जाना है.
Could this be an endgame grind, Sagar bhai? Danya, slowly, typical, you know, we saw it in the Olympiad against China. He had that grind. This could be a typical game for Gukesh, and he's prepared.
You know, it's really cool the point you bring up, because before we started the show, we were all chatting here at Habitat that, and I want all your views on this, that, you know, we talk about Gukesh's style of imbalance. But maybe his best chance against Ding is a long endgame grind where the game goes into a, let's say, a 4th or a 5th hour of play. If you think about Ding being off form in the last 1 year, we've seen him collapse when the game is too long. He's somehow not able to hold on to the pressure. Meanwhile, Sahil, you pointed out, you know, Gukesh at the Olympiad against Wei, playing a 7-hour match and then outplaying that endgame. So if it goes into that, if it goes into an endgame, queens get traded. Yesterday, Ding agreed to a draw in 23 moves. I'm with Sahil on this. Gukesh will play this out till the very end, hoping for a Ding collapse.
क्या चल रहा है भाई?
So right now Ding hasn't played for 21 minutes. He was saying, भाई समय है कहाँ? I have to wait. Now he's like, अभी करूँगा move. So he's back. He's trying to recollect his opening or his prep, or he's trying to think on the board. It's been a long time. Look at Gukesh. He's been sitting like this for quite some time. Tanya, I am really surprised that when it's not his move, instead of moving around or going into the resting area, Gukesh is trying to just close his eyes and sit like this. This is his strategy now. I think so.
100% accuracy क्या होता है भाई?
भाई अभी तक एक भी गलती नहीं की है.
E4.
E4 will be there. He'll play E4 somewhere.
नहीं यार मुझे ऐसे you know what this tournament like you know we all have been commentating on Gukesh's games and he has been so accurate before but in this like in the first game he made many mistakes
Yeah.
so I'm no longer that certain that he will play E4
तुम्हारा पापा काम करेगा कि नहीं?
भाई मेरे मुंह पे ऐसे नहीं रहेगा ना
तुम पीछे हो जाओ थोड़ा.
You know, I am worried कि रुक C1 ना आ जाए.
Huh? I don't think he'll allow Bishop F5.
We have 55,000 people watching this,
Let's
guys.
go.
Do like the stream. We're all hoping for an E4,
Why,
which
where's
is-
my emote?
which makes the game very complicated actually
Yeah.
for Black.
and also then Ding's time will come into play
Exactly.
which he has only 27 minutes but Gukesh I don't know can we focus on Gukesh's face and see like is for like 5-6 moves down the line he feels ki it's not happening
GM Harshit Raja coming in. What is the probability of E4 here?
I think he has to go for E4, Samar
Let's
bhai.
go.
But what's the probability that he will go for E4?
I think like 85%.
oh
And do you think E4 will really give him a lot of advantage in this game? Considering
I
the time
think that-
situation and everything.
Definitely. I mean, I'm watching the game. It's 4:30 a.m. because I'm really thinking that before the game goes into the rest day, that Gukesh ties it because that would give him a big psychological boost.
yeah
All right. So what is the other move that you're saying? What is the 15%?
15% is that he'll just try to save you money so that you don't have to buy everyone food.
Ding sees it. Look at him. Look at him. Look
अरे
at him.
भाई oh
Sagar, he has been doing this for a while.
Let's go! Oh my God, मैं तो खा रहा हूँ भाई free food. Let's get it. खाओ भाई जो खाना है भाई. मैं कुछ खा के आया भाई.
भाई खा के आओ right now Gukesh has just pushed his pawn to e4
Wow. It's game on.
4 makes sense here Tanya because then the bishop is attacked
Oh, he goes bishop g7 though.
I don't. Human move.
Yes.
And
G7
will
it
we
had
see
to
knight
be.
e2?
by knight e2
This
खेल
is
दे
the moment
Gukesh
of
भाई
truth. Samir, yeah,
Gukesh
please have that ready because
Oh.
this is a star move. अगर knight e2 हुआ तो.
Knight
go.
e2. Knight e2. Please.
no if
Guys,
Gukesh,
I think we need to send our energy for knight e2.
Tanya can you just confirm that knight e2 is the only move here भाई कैसे खुलता है ये
भाई इसको wait don't rotate that way. Wait,
नहीं,
do
मैं
not now.
तो-
Knight e2 पे.
No, but Tanya, can you just confirm if knight e2 is the only move, or is there anything
I
else?
checked earlier. It was. Wait, let me just have
Here,
it.
here. Yeah, from those three.
Yes, only move.
Only move to get an
Only
advantage.
move,
Knight
knight
e2.
e2. Knight e2. Play it, Gukesh.
अरे भाई।
मुझसे नहीं होगा।
तुम भी खोल के डालो. अरे डर क्या डरना क्या है तानिया डर के आगे जीत है. Let's go.
Come on.
Can Tanya do this?
अरे
Can
यार।
Gukesh?
अरे
find
उल्टा
knight
दिया है
e2?
उसको मुंह पे फटेगा उसके.
भाई मैं तो ठीक लगा.
लाल साइड नीचे.
Okay.
Come on.
So knight e2, guys.
What
Let's
a
go.
commentary this is. No analysis. Only party poppers. Everyone on other
I think we have to
broadcast.
do
Oh,
this,
knight
guys.
e2. This
Knight e2.
Knight e2. Knight e2. Knight e2. Knight e2.
भाई
Knight
कब तक करेंगे?
e2. 57 minutes of this, guys. Knight e2. Let's go. Manish Ramal has sent a super chat. Gukesh is killing today. Great comeback. This is the best position for him today. Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on, Gukesh.
And it's the only move that keeps any advantage. Everything else is equal in the position. So
Yeah.
it's a decisive moment in a game.
And Ding is planning to get up. Oh, no, he's there.
He can't. He doesn't.
खेल रहा है. He's like, he knows the move.
तान्या,
तानिया बैठना कुछ नहीं होगा.
ले यार.
ठीक है, कैसे होता है?
अरे
बस
देख,
ऐसा
उधर लिखा है.
करना है मेरे को भी नहीं पता.
हाँ. अबे मुंह पे नहीं हमारे.
उधर उधर उधर.
अरे कुछ नहीं होगा यार. ऐसा पकड़.
भाई इसमें किसी का कुछ मतलब है ये नहीं होता
अरे
है
नहीं
ना?
होता यार।
आई ट्रस्ट यू समय
ऐसे आग तो नहीं आएगी।
नहीं यार, क्या डरपोक हो यार तुम लोग।
नहीं नहीं भाई
को
हम ये
पटाखे
सब
नहीं
नहीं करते ना
पसंद।
भाई।
92 जैसे कोई ड्रग्स है भाई, एक पार्टी पावर है भाई। कम ऑन।
He's gonna play it. I mean, look at him. He's calculating this. It has to be, and he's such a concrete player. He's somebody who finds these moves, you know.
And Gukesh, you know, like he's feeling that excitement. I felt like he wanted to make that move, and then he said, "Let me just calculate one more time." That is how he looked at it.
Ding looks upset. Gukesh is totally focused by 56 minutes for the challenger.
But I think he'll take some time here. He will take a few minutes or more. Because 92, he's calculating. Okay, what is he calculating after 90? Did he play it? It's What is this? What is this? कोई नहीं रहा।
बलराज भाई क्या ये?
तीनों नहीं खुल रहे यार।
दम नहीं है. For the first time, Balraj bhai became not a gentleman.
Yes! क्या बात है भाई। Let's go.
92 on the board, advantage Gukesh.
भाई बॉडी लैंग्वेज से अगर आप देखोगे तो गुकेश पे बिल्कुल भी नर्वसनेस नहीं दिख रही है।
Correct.
यार he's shaking his leg a lot. हमें लग रहा है, I don't think it gives too much away. समय the nervousness of knowing कि I have done everything right to this point. It's my big chance to equalize this match.
Yeah.
भाई दिल में जो धक धक होती है ना, he's doing a great job of hiding it. But he's feeling it.
Yeah, but the chair is giving it away. Oh my God, guys. बहुत high pressure situation. 15 minutes for the challenger, Gukesh, who has to find
9
a
moves.
good move
yeah.
here.
9 moves to make in 50.
We are focusing too much on what Gukesh has to find. For Ding, he has to hold this in under 2 minutes. For how is it
32,
going? Oh my
31,
God!
30,
He's going to be flat.
28,
Ding
27.
is going to lose on time.
27,
He has to make
26, he has to make 6 moves,
He can't
24,
do it.
23,
He will
22, 20, भाई हार गया टाइम पे,
He's gonna lose on
भाई
time.
हार गया,
What is
Time
it
is
doing?
up. He's
हार
frozen.
गया,
He's
He
frozen.
can't make a move.
Oh my
14,
God.
13,
Wait.
12, हार
Make a
भाई
move.
Gukesh has won,
Come on, 8, 7,
oh
6,
Gukesh plays,
5,
Pudding,
4.
4,
He's going to lose on time. He cannot
It's
make
gone.
these many moves physically.
no 36 moves have been done, 4 more moves to make, and he has only
He's
4
going to lose on
seconds.
time. Oh my God!
Cameraman, show the room, bro.
Show the room, show the room. Bye.
Yay! घटिया production
Go,
team.
Gukesh.
Wow! Gukesh wins and equalizes the match. Unbelievable.